So hi everyone, my name is Ashley, and today I'll be presenting the project part B of our e-commerce online. So basically, this is our controller. This is the user controller. So this like creates the user. This one is just to create a user, create the creating constant. Then the user by ID constant just retrieves the user ID, and if the user is not found, it just gives the displays an error message, user not found or could not retrieve the user. So the read constant just reads the passwords, and the list just gets like um an updated created user, and the update constant just like is just to update whatever you want to update, your user profile, maybe password, maybe your age, maybe your date, anything, and just like appends it to the request, to the profile request. Then the remove is just to delete like the user password, or just delete the user profile. And this is seller is to like verify if the user is a seller or not. Yeah, and the Stripe authentication is just like a middleware, just to let's create an authentication, whatever, could be like description of the user, anything. Then the Stripe customer is just like creating, updating charges of the customer, or if it is possible to create a charge, it will create a child, and if it's not possible, the child won't be updated. Like it just appends it to the profile. If the profile is not approved, it won't work. So this is the create charge constant. It just creates a charge using the post method, and that's it, and updates it into your Stripe account. The shopper controller is basically, this is just like to shop. Like this one controls all the shop part, shopping, adding to your cart, all of your photo, your picture, the picture of the image of the data, um, image of the product, update, all of that. And this is like the shop controller. Like if this is like the seller part, once they want to they want to shop, like users want to customers want to shop, and the seller could come here and create this page, create his ID, shop ID, and photo of the image of the shop, and just update it. This is the order controller. So this order is just like it creates an order profile and just append it to the profile, user profile, and the products just list by shop. This just like create a list of the shops where the order was placed, and this one updates the product's IDs. And the order by ID just order by ID is just like to track, if any, to track the order of your of the track your order, sorry, just to track your order. Then the list by user is just like the list of your orders, and read just, yeah, appends it to the request orders. Then we have the shop route. It's just like the routes, like to get like the front and back end, just to get like the informations, the user IDs, the shop's IDs, the logos, whatever you want. So these are the routes of the controllers. They just like yeah, and these are the models. So basically these models are just like to initialize the type of string, sorry, is just like to initialize what is going to be required for each part of the e-commerce, like for the address, delivery address. For the order, you need the delivery address, the street, the city, zip code, and the payment ID. You have to initialize all of that just like this. So it will be the same for the product model. Product model, you need the name, image, description, category, quantity, price. For the user, you'll need the name, um sorry, yeah, that's what you need. That's just all what you need. So yeah, I won't like take it for long. And here we have public, sorry, not public, client. So here, these are my orders. So basically this is like the code, the format of the my orders. This is format. So this is like the button of the list items, and this button just adds this to your orders, and this is just like your orders. So basically what this is what it does, my orders. And this is orders, so you have the cart, you have the cart, you have your details, you have the content, you have your informations. And yeah, so basically this is just like a template for the application for your orders. So yeah, and then you have like the class name, the order code, the order details. So the configuration of all the order details, order code of your orders, just like a normal e-commerce, and the delivery part. Yeah, just initialize it. Then the product order edit, you just like to like edit the product order. So this is basically like the template, like the styles I would say. Then you have like sorry, excuse me. Yeah, basically you can just, for the product order edit, you can just like edit the product order, and just like you can just like basically on in like all e-commerce online. So it just gives you the updates of your status. Like you can get your status, like enter maybe like the IDs of your like for to track your order. So you just enter your order ID here. It just say could not get status. It is possible you can get status product order. If you want to like place an order, you can cancel it. And there's also the return policies code, and the processing power code, and the status not updated, try again, whatever. Just like that, as you can see right now. And we also have the product part. So I won't like take long because this video is gonna take really really very long. So basically in the product we have the delete product. This one is just like to delete the product for for the seller, I guess. For the seller, if you want to delete the product, you can delete and edit the product. So it can be updating the product's name, whatever, quantity, category. And my product is just like the list of the products that has been posted, like here, list of the product that has been posted in the shop. And a new product is just like to add a new product in your shop. Yeah, it's just to add any product in your shop. And the product is like add the specifications, the details of your product. of each product, sorry, and then we have products, like a list of all the products that you have that has been said. Then you have the search bar. You could search any product you want in the shop, everything, and you have suggestions. It's just like a code that suggests other products and other shops. So yeah, this is it. So okay, I won't be take long with this. So you have delete shops, so you can have a lot of shops as a seller. You can have a lot of shops, so you can decide to delete your shop. You can decide to edit your shop, and you can decide to and you also have to, like, in my shops part, that that is a list of your shops that you have, that you own. And yeah, this is just basically what the code does here. And the new shop, so you can create a new shop with new products if you like to, if you want to. Yeah, and this code shop.gsx, actually this one is just like the template, like the theme of your shop of what, a shop. So this one is shops, like you can see other shops. As a seller or as a owner, as an owner of a shop, you can see other shops. So yeah, this is basically what the course does. So thank you for listening to my oh, sorry, I'm not really done here now. I have the card, I just forgot. I Yeah, so this is the card GSX. The card GSX is just like the template, like a normal card where you add your products and all of that. And cart items, this has a list of items that you added inside the cart, like list of items that you added like inside the cart, like yeah. And the checkout, this is checkout part. It's just like um the payment, um sorry, it's just like a payment details, the delivery address, checkout, I mean what, all of that, like just like a normal e-commerce. So yeah, just like a code to like initialize your checkout. You need the delivery address, billing address, your card details, your home details, also the if ever you have coupons, if ever you have like discounts, all of that is done here. So place order is just like it generates the um it just like generates the order details, place order. So you have, if you have insufficient funds, the order won't be placed, but if you have sufficient funds, the order will be placed. And if one detail about your place is lacking, it will show you an error message. Please carry on, fill in the address or whatever is missing. If you have like an invalid address, invalid city postal code, it will show an error message and the order won't be placed. But once all the details are correct, you have sufficient funds, if the order will be placed. So basically this is what the code does. Thank you for listening to my for watching this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Have a good night.